So this recording is going to cover the first step in how you can reduce your PowerPoint. So the PowerPoint that I'm using for today's example is Healthy Living. It's a PowerPoint that I created, and as you can see, is a really huge file size that would definitely eat up a lot of space on Canvas. The first thing that you can do to reduce the size of your PowerPoint is by deleting any videos that you may have embedded inside your PowerPoint. Now, I have 3 videos here that I have embedded, and this takes up a lot of file size. The first step that I need to take is to delete these videos and replace them with YouTube links. So I'm going to go into my slide. I'm going to delete each one of these videos, and I'm simply going to replace them with YouTube links. For this example, I am putting just a YouTube link, but for your PowerPoint, I'd highly recommend you give the title of the video as well as a short description of the video for your students to view. So now that I'm done, I'm going to, for this example, File, Save As, and I'm going to say Healthy Living. So for this file, I'm going to put Healthy Living YouTube links. I'm going to click Save. And now when I go back to look, I can see that I have drastically changed the size of my PowerPoint.